Hi, welcome.
Thank you very much. Yes, my name is Jack Egelund Madsen. I am the CEO of Diagonal Bio. I have a technical background with a PhD in biotechnology from Copenhagen University, where I was also working as an associate professor within gene discovery. On top of that, I also have business administration from Copenhagen Business School. And before joining Diagonal Bio, roughly 2.5 years ago, I was working in different commercial and also managerial roles in different industries. Diagonal Bio's vision is to limit the spread of infectious disease worldwide by creating an easy-to-use, accurate, cost-efficient point-of-care diagnostic device. And of course, the whole idea here is that we have something where we can actually detect multiple infectious diseases in parallel or multiple patients. And we can do the whole process within 10 to 15 minutes, still having the same accuracy as today's PCR-based systems. It has been an extremely exciting and also fast-paced journey, going from, you could say, an initial idea on a piece of paper to getting our technology granted by the European Patent Office, to having the first device out, and now we are on the brink on getting the, you could say, the first commercial steps. LAMPlify is intended for the less regulated market segments and will be CE marked according to the Low Voltage Directive, which means we can sell it as a general laboratory equipment. That will enable us to commercialize already this year and be less dependent on the, you can say, the general markets. PANVIRAL is an in vitro diagnostic device that's of course intended to use for scanning for different diseases. We communicated earlier this year that we had 3 major milestones. The first one was to get external validation of our technology, and we have already reached that by getting this accredited laboratory to do a parallel test between our device and the PCR-based systems, which shows that we deliver the same results as you do with the most general PCR-based systems. Of course, much faster. The 2 other milestones is that we need to get LAMPlify CE marked for the less regulated market segments. And then, of course, it's going to be extremely important with the last one, also interesting here, to break the first revenue with the LAMPlify system. I would actually mention 2 so far, and the first one would be that we got our technology patented and granted by the European Patent Office. That is the whole foundation of our commercial adventure. The second one here is that we got our technology validated by this external laboratory, because it really takes us from just having, you can say, a fairy tale to having you can say, a real credible company with a very strong product in the pipeline. Being listed at Nasdaq First North, of course, limits certain details in this regard, but what I can say is that we are, of course, in constant dialogue with potential partners and collaborators, because we do understand that this is an important part also in the commercial phase. I would say that this has been an extremely exciting and also fast journey from actually having an idea to actually having a physical product, to getting that product externally validated, and now going into the commercial phase. Of course, hope everybody really understands the speed and the hard work that has gone into this process. That said, I would of course never recommend anybody to invest. That's up for the investor for themselves to actually decide. I would of course say that I hope they appreciate all the hard work, and also hope that they really understand that we have done everything in a record speed. And of course, I would like to thank them for the trust and support. And of course, also hope that they are as happy as I am when I look at our journey and where we are today. And I think everybody, including me, will be looking very much forward to the next 2 milestones. Getting the first revenue here is going to be extremely important for Diagonal and everybody around the company. And before I close off, I also want to say that I would of course welcome anybody to actually follow us, either via session or via our webpage to follow all of these exciting news that's going to come out.